kids. T. And another letter T. This is a capital T.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
And this is a lowercase t.
Won't you sing with me?
Train. Train starts with the letter T. First ever train was built in 18th century in England.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Turtle. Turtle also starts with the letter T. Turtles don't have teeth. Some turtles live mostly in water and some turtles spend almost all of their time on land. Tree. Tree also starts with the letter T. Trees are very important. Each year a mature tree produces enough oxygen for 10 people. Train, turtle and tree, all of them start with the letter T. Now it's time for the funny joke. Why can't a turtle eat food from Burger King? Because a turtle is too slow for fast food.